Welcome to Autodesk Revit Fundamentals for Structure. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit and 3D design. With the completion of our introductory course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they'll require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Each class is designed to show students how to set up structural projects, copy monitor levels and grids, link Revit models and CAD files, control visibility and duplicate views while learning to generate section, callout, and elevation views, create structural columns, form piers and pilasters, construct structural walls, floors, and slabs, add retaining, bearing, and isolated footings, obtain an understanding of what families are and how to load outside families into a project, place beams, girders, joists, and purlins, generate beam systems and bracing, add rebar and reinforcement, build and adjust a structural analytical model, generate load cases and combinations, produce construction documents placing views onto sheets while adding annotations such as text, dimensions, tags, and more, populate column schedules, and generate details. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design, while giving employees the confidence to transition into new software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, helping to alleviate the fear that comes with pioneering into complex software and innovative methods, assisting CAD and BIM managers tackling daily obstacles while shifting through work problem issues efficiently and quicker. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to create a new project, open an existing model, navigate seamlessly while easily moving through various views in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Revit Structure Fundamentals course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technological changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in 3D building information modeling software.